Let's be real. We all wish we had a designated area in our house to set up all of our filming gear so we could be more consistent with our video content. But for some of us, we just don't have the space in our house. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a video setup so that you can use this potentially in your house as well. Hi, my name is Trina, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because as a mom of two and a business owner, I don't have time to be online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so I use my YouTube channel and my videos to do all the sales pitching for me. Now, to create video content, you obviously got to have some gear and have a space to film content. Now, I've done some videos on this before. I will link them above, but I've invited my friend Meredith of VidPro Mom to give you her studio setup and her favorite gear to use in her videos. Check her out.
Hey, thanks for having me on your channel, Trina. My name is Meredith Marsh, and over on the VidPro Mom YouTube channel, I help people figure out video stuff. I've been on YouTube for a few years, about since 2015, and I shoot all of my videos at home, and my setup has changed quite a bit over the years. And since Trina is over on my channel today sharing her knowledge on best YouTube gear for beginners, I'm going to give you a little tour of my home studio setup and the gear that I use. So let's go on a little tour. So my office slash studio is in a spare bedroom in my house, and it's really, really small. I'm not complaining because in my last house, all I had was the corner of the living room. So one of the things that I kind of forced myself to figure out in here was a way that I could keep all of my gear set up all the time without it being in the middle of the room and in the way. My desk is almost seems like it's up against the wall, but it really isn't. There's just enough room for one umbrella light in the corner, and then I have a mic stand and my camera tripod, and the other light just kind of lives off in another corner when I'm not using it, and when I am using it, I put it right here on the right-hand side of my desk. And then sitting at my desk talking directly to the camera is a really just easy, comfortable way to record videos. Sometimes I set things up a little different, but for the most part, this is pretty much my setup. And then if I do a live stream or something right in front of my computer, all I have to do is turn on the one umbrella light. It's right in front of me. It shines down and it works really well. As far as my current gear setup, I do have these two umbrella lights. These are from Cowboy Studio. I ordered them on Amazon. I actually ordered softbox lights. These are what they sent me. I think they're umbrella lights, but they work. I also have daylight bulbs in the recessed lighting in my ceiling. They're on right now. Sometimes I have them on, sometimes I leave them off. I feel like it makes everything look kind of sterile looking, like it's a little bit too hospital lighting-ish. And for my audio, I have a Rode Videomic. It's actually designed to go on top of the camera, but I just put my microphone on a microphone stand so that I can be a little more flexible with it. So my microphone is actually right up here, just out of frame instead of being directly on top of my camera. That way I can put my camera anywhere. I could shoot from far away if I wanted to, but still have my audio close to me. And my camera is a Canon 70D DSLR camera, and I've actually been using this since I started my YouTube channel. I didn't buy it just for YouTube videos. I had a DSLR that shot still photos that stopped working, and so when I replaced that, I wanted to make sure I had one that also shot video, and it's a great camera. I really like it. I think the 80D is the newer version of the 70D, and I'm not even using a fancy lens or anything. It's just a regular kit lens that comes with a DSLR camera. It's an 18 to 55 millimeter lens, so nothing fancy there. And when I do screencasts and tutorials and record my podcast, I use my Audio-Technica Atr 2100. It's a USB microphone, so you don't have to have a special like entire soundboard or anything like that, and it sounds really great. So I've been using this combination of gear and setup for about 4 months now because these lights are relatively new. Before that, I just would use a ring light and natural light, and that worked pretty well for what I needed to do. And on the Video Pursuit podcast, I actually have an episode on the evolution of my YouTube gear, what I used when I first started, how I made it work for me, what I invested in over time, time, what worked, what didn't, what I'm using now, and what is on my wish list if I should decide to make any upgrades in the future. So if you're into that, you can catch the Video Pursuit podcast over at vidpromom.com/podcast. So that's how I record my YouTube videos. Thanks again, Trina, for having me on. And if you want to see more of the videos that I create, then head over to the VidPro Mom YouTube channel. Bye.
I really love how Meredith sets up all of our equipment, and some of that gear is some great gear to use. If you want to check out what my home studio looks like, click the video that's on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to use YouTube to grow your business. Thanks for watching. Bye.